Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious salad for you guys. Before I get started, if you're new here, welcome, and be sure you subscribe if you enjoy. Okay. To begin, I'm scraping a yellow bell pepper. Next, I'm cutting half a green bell pepper into small pieces. For the dressing, I'm mixing together water, vinegar, sugar, fresh garlic, olive oil, and salt. Do not forget, everything will be listed below for you guys. Next, I'm adding the bell peppers in my mixture. Now I'm cutting dill and parsley to add. My dressing is ready, guys. Now it's time to cut the tomatoes. Let's put it this way in the bowl to add the dressing. At the end, I add a little bit olive oil, and I'm going to put my salad in the fridge for 20 minutes before I eat it. After 20 minutes, our salad is ready to eat, guys. Looks so amazing. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment to tell me what do you think, and see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.